The MMA glove, just a few millimeters of leather, nearly 100 grams of padding, and exposed fingers. It looks less padded than the traditional boxing glove, but does more padding mean more protection for fighters? Former UFC heavyweight champion Bas Rutten should know he's fought wearing boxing gloves, MMA gloves, and bare knuckles. This test will measure them all.
We're using an instrumented heavy bag which measures force. We're going to use the boxing glove, we're going to use your MMA glove, and then we're going to use your bare knuckle. 3, 2, 1, go.
Common sense might suggest that more padding means more protection. After all, the boxing glove looks softer. But is this fighting fact or martial myth? Looks can be deceiving, but you can't fool this punching bag. Without the padding of gloves, the bare fist delivers the most force. Between the knuckles and jawbone, only 2 thin layers of skin. Basically, bone on bone. The bare fist delivers nearly 370 kilos of force. It causes the brain to recoil and slosh within the skull. Potential bone damage also occurs to the fighter's hand delivering the punch. The thin MMA gloves are designed for speed, versatility, and grappling. They weigh almost 0.2 kilograms and contain nearly 0.1 kilograms of padding, 2 centimeters thick. Compared to bare knuckles, the MMA glove impact is less, 295 kilos. Stunning, but not always a knockout. Boxing gloves range from 0.2 to 0.5 kilograms. They contain many times the padding of MMA gloves. Just over 6 centimeters of foam lie between the attacker's fist and defender's face. We would think that more padding means more protection. But here's the scientific surprise. The force delivered, 291 kilograms, nearly identical to the MMA glove. Myth-shattering. In gloves, bigger isn't necessarily better.
When you did the boxing glove, we had 641 pounds of force. When you did the MMA glove, we had 651 pounds of force. And when you had your bare hand, it was 776 pounds of force.
The difference between MMA gloves and boxing gloves? Hair splitting. A mere 4 kilograms of force.